Welcome, everyone. I'm Crystal Bustillos here with Chris Newberry in the life department, and welcome to today's podcast.
Hey, Crystal.
Hey,
I, you know, we talk about long-term care all the time,
we do.
but you got to age into long-term care. You're not aged into long-term
I'm
care
not quite
yet.
there yet.
Yeah. So what do we do for you?
Well, I think we could probably have and talk about maybe a disability plan.
Hot dog. You're right. You're exactly right. That is something that we do not talk about enough, I don't
We really
think.
don't. It's something really easy.
Yeah, it is easy. And, long-term care, everybody understands, you reach that retirement age and you don't want to sell your assets to pay for your last 3 years of existence. But what about that paycheck protection? If you're in your working years and you need something to help you through that, that's where a disability income product
Exactly.
comes in.
Exactly.
And what we have is a disability tile on the broker link. Surprise. But you can call any of us. But what we're going to do is we're going to introduce you to our turnkey DI partners at the DI Center. And you basically call them. It's a little bit different process than life insurance. Of course, you're going to need to do medical underwriting, but what you're going to do is you're going to give your income information
hmm
because it's a percentage typically of your income. So if you were making 100,000 a year, typically the most disability income you can get is about 2/3 of that, or
hmm
maybe $66,000. But all that money is tax free.
hmm
So it sort of adds up a little bit. So you got to do medical underwriting. You got to prove your income. And then it's really based on your occupation.
hmm
So there's different carriers that do different things. So there's like white collar carriers that really want to key in on doctors, lawyers, architects, that kind of stuff. There's gray collar. There's even blue collar, for people that, just need some help in some other areas that are like, working on a crew or something.
Yep.
Yeah, all that's
Absolutely.
available.
Very easy to do. So the process is to go on our website,
Hmm.
click on additional products,
Yep.
click on the disability tile, and they'll be able to find their contact information.
Yep.
And what's the process there? Simply they'll pick up the phone and ask them,
They just the typical thing that we get at the life team of the brokerage. I got a
I
guy.
got a guy.
I got a guy. He does this for a living. He makes this much money. Find me the best carrier. And
Excellent.
they will we have a variety of insurance carriers that do disability. They will find the best fit. And it's really almost a white glove process that they will shepherd it through the underwriting process and make it very easy for the producer, make it very easy for the client to do.
Makes sense.
Yeah, it's easy.
It's easy. We make life easy.
That should be a slogan, right?
I say that probably in every podcast.
I like that. I like that. And have you got it copyrighted yet?
Not yet. I should.
You ought to. You ought to. But that's really it for disability. It's an easy process. Everybody needs it. If you know a young physician or attorney, they are going to get it
Mhm,
because they love this stuff.
mm.
In fact, the first few years of my career, all I did was sell disability income. It's just that good of a product. And the compensation is decent on it.
Mhm.
But the best thing about the compensation is it pays a significant renewal.
Oh,
So,
nice. So
you
there is renewals.
get a double digit renewal for a number of years.
Nice.
So it can be potentially very lucrative.
Awesome.
Yep.
Well, thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
And thank you, everyone, for listening and tuning in to the Life team. And we'll see you next time.